Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Hostinger balance. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger hPanel. Now if you don't know how to get to hPanel, just log into your hostinger.com account, come to the top, right click on my account, and you will be redirected to your hPanel. Now, to check your Hostinger balance, here on the left hand side, I want you to scroll down until you see billing. I want you to click on billing, and then here you get different options. What I want you to do is click on payment methods. And when you click on that, it will redirect you to this website. It will show you your active payment methods. And then here at the top right, you'll see Hostinger balance. And if you click on this question mark icon, this will show you that this is the money that will either reward or refund it to you. And you can use this credit to buy new services or upgrade your existing ones. So it's really that easy. Here you'll see your balance. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.